exponential functions. Ngayon, di-discuss naman natin yung derivatives of exponential functions. Madalas naman siya ginagamit in growth and decay problems, compound interest, population models, and many scientific formulas. Meron tayong dalawang main kinds of exponential derivatives. Number one is base E. Ito yung natural exponential. Natural exponential. Example nito is d over dx ex equals to ex. It is one of the only function that is equal to its own derivative. If there is an inside function, we apply the chain rule. Example nito is, ito yung base E. Example niya is d over dx e g x. Ito, ulit natin para malinis. E g x. Yan. Which is e g x multiply by g prime x. Yan. Example din natin is y e2x derived to y prime is equals to 2e 2x. Ayan. Meron din tayong yung pangalawa, general exponential function. For number 2, general exponential function. Ax. Yan. For constant a, constant is a over 0. So, magiging d over dx. Example lang siya. Ano niya pala? Given. Or formula. I mean. Ax is equals to ax and a. Example niya is y 5x. Derive natin siya. Y prime equals to 5x ln 5. This is the inner function. Ito yung inner function natin. D over dx agx agx ln a times g prime x. Exponential derivatives, madalas naman siya ginagamit in physics, radioactive decay, ganun. Economics, compound interest, and biology, population growth, which are essential because many natural processes grow or decay exponentially. Yan.